You probably didn't give it much thought today. It might have been in your hand as you sipped water or soda. Light, clear, and disposable, the plastic bottle feels like a small convenience. But the story behind it is anything but small. It's a tale of invention, global adoption, and environmental crisis. Plastic was originally developed in the 1800s as a cheaper replacement for rare and pricey materials like ivory and silk. Then in 1941, British scientists John Rex Winfield and James Tennant Dixon created a new type of plastic, polyethylene terephthalate or PET. Its first use, not bottles but fabric. It was ideal for making synthetic textiles. Fast forward to 1973, Nathaniel Wyeth, an engineer at DuPont, designed the first PET plastic bottle that could hold fizzy drinks without bursting. His innovation changed everything. Suddenly, there was a lightweight, shatterproof, low-cost alternative to glass. By the late 70s, beverage giants like Pepsi and Coca-Cola were packaging their drinks in PET bottles. By the 1980s, it became the new industry norm. Plastic was everywhere. But what seemed like a modern miracle came with a hidden cost. Most plastic bottles don't vanish after use, they stick around. For centuries, only around 9% of them are ever recycled. The rest, they clutter landfills, clog waterways, and even enter our bodies. Recent research has found microplastic particles in human lungs, organs, even in our bloodstream. We drink and breathe them without even knowing. On the surface, the answer seems simple: recycle. And yes, in some countries people are trying. Bins are sorted by color. Labels show the recyclable sign. Schools and households make an effort. Norway offers a shining example. It runs one of the most successful bottle return systems on Earth. Over 97% of PET bottles are returned and recycled. The idea is straightforward: pay a small deposit and get it back when you bring the bottle back. But not every country follows suit. Many companies use green branding to appear eco-friendly, even when there's no local infrastructure to recycle properly. So even if a bottle says it's recyclable, it might end up shipped overseas, burned, dumped, or left to rot. Science is racing to catch up. Some researchers are developing plant-based plastics that degrade within months. Others have identified bacteria that can consume plastic waste. Exciting? Absolutely. But we're not there yet. Most of these ideas are still stuck in labs. The truth is, the real solution isn't just technological. It's behavioral. People are beginning to rethink their habits. They're switching to metal bottles, skipping single-use items, and supporting bans on disposable plastics. Schools encourage thermoses. Festivals and events go bottle-free. Bit by bit, we're changing course. But is the shift fast enough? Or have we already passed the tipping point? A plastic bottle isn't just packaging. It's a snapshot of our time, of human ingenuity, consumption, and the unintended consequences of convenience. It's also a reminder: every small decision matters. What we choose to use, to throw away, or to reuse, it all adds up. A single plastic bottle can outlast 8 generations. But maybe it can also last as a lesson, a push toward a smarter, cleaner, more thoughtful way of living. And if you're curious what other everyday object hides a dark story, check out our deep dive into the toothbrush. You won't look at it the same way again.